To fix a Samsung top-load washer that won't drain, the first step is to clean the debris filter, as a clogged filter is often the main reason for this issue. Start by opening the debris filter cover, located near the emergency drain hose, and remove the drain plug. Be sure to have a container ready to catch the water that will drain out of the auxiliary hose pipe. Once the water has been drained, turn the debris filter clockwise and pull it out. Inspect the filter and use a soft brush to clean it. After cleaning, put the debris filter back in place by pushing it in and rotating it clockwise. Replace the emergency drain hose cap, making sure it is locked, and return the debris filter cover to its original position. If, after trying these steps, the washer still won't drain, it may be necessary to seek assistance from a qualified repair shop or technician. By following these simple steps, fixing a top-load washer that won't drain can be a relatively easy process.